I definitely think so. Look here, on the right, they are picking up berries and making sure that everybody gets good food. I don't think they ever get enough credit. And so, why not? Why not? I'll give them credit on my channel because I do stuff like that. I do stuff like that. Anyway, so lucky to be where we are. Look at all these fancy cars here. Tesla in front, Lexus on the right, Porsche on the left. We see Ferraris all the time. Because this is the place to be, California. California. If you're lucky enough to be able to support yourself and live here, California is great. Don't mind the rest of the garbage that happens. I am so blessed to be here. You got the OC bus there on the right. You got Strawberry Farm. And A&J is right here. All we gotta do is we could do two things. We could either make a left here on Walnut or U-turn back. I made U-turn back. It's just past here, past the Royal Business Bank. Let's see if there's another music that got some Go Country going on here. There we go, Morris chasing. Chasing after you, Ryan. Okay, the computer here on the Toyota got it wrong. Wow, that's a big truck over there. Not the best weather today, but everything still looks pretty. Look at how well they keep everything here. We got these beautiful trees. And just cruising, just enjoying this time in the car. Alright, let's see. Will they let us make a left turn? There we go. I was slow on the reflexes here. Getting used to being an Irvine person. Irvinians, I don't know. How do you call people from Irvine? Slow on the pedal, which is okay because hopefully people will be safe, but